Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you all what I got from Bath & Body Works, Myers, and Kohl's. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to start with Bath & Body Works. I got some hand sanitizer in Sweet Pea, which this is my favorite scent. I want it to come. Oh, there we go. Just need a couple pumps because it's brand new. So that smells really good. And then from Myers, I got this plate, which has blue, white, and green, which is so adorable. And then from Starbucks, I got this drink, which is vanilla bean. From Kohl's, I got gray tank top, white tank top, this adorable top, some shorts, which is awesome. I love these shorts. And then I have this adorable tee, this adorable shirt, which I got from. It's pretty awesome. I like this shirt. So, yeah, it's very flowy at the bottom, so that's what I like about it. And I got some tank top, a black tank top, and some more shorts, you know? So that is all I got from those stores. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!